Hi, this is Hariprasad. Today we discuss about methods of polymerizations. Methods means preparation of polymers. Two types of preparation methods are available: emulsion polymerization, suspension polymerization. Two types of polymerizations are available. The first is emulsion polymerization. Emulsion means oil add in a water to create emulsion solution. That means the oil cannot dissolve in a water which is undissolved, which is present in the surface of water. That is called emulsion. Based on the concept of emulsion, number of monomers are combined to produce polymers. For example, emulsion polymerization is a type of radical polymerization. It is the radical polymerization that usually start with an emulsion incorporated water, monomers and surfactant. In this method, to use initiator, radical initiator, that means that mechanism is called radical mechanism. So we use radical initiator. Next, monomer oil, where monomer like oil nature, and surfactant like a stabilizer compounds. Okay. The most common type of emulsion polymerization is an oil in water. Oil in water, where oil is act as a monomers, in which droplets of monomer, that oil, are emulsified with surfactant. By use of surfactant, the oil is emulsed in a water. The water-soluble polymers such as certain polyvinyl alcohols or hydroxylene cellulose can also be used to act as a emulsified or stabilizers. In this, alcohols or hydroxyl ethyl act as a stabilizers. By use of alcohols, hydroxyl ethyl, the oil is emulsed or emulsion in a water or emulsified in a water by use of stabilizers. For examples, in this is the monomers. This is the monomer. This is the water, monomer and water. Which is the monomers and waters. The monomers first cannot soluble in water. By use of surfactant or stabilizers, the monomers are soluble or emulsified in a water. This is the initiator. To take the add in the initiator in a water, and also add in a, and also it is the stabilizers. Which is the stabilizers, where the stabilizer compounds nature is bipolar nature, like means hydrophilic and hydrophobic nature, head and tail. Okay, the stabilizers first to create micelle structure or micelle structures. Micelle structure in a water. That is the micelle structure of stabilizers, which is head and tile natures, hydrophilic and hydrophobic natures. When the initiator add in the water, first the initiator passed into center of the micelle structures. Next, all monomers are passed into micelle structures. This is the all monomers. All monomers passed into micelle because the tile natures and monomer nature both are similar natures. That's why all monomers are attracted by the hydrophilic nature of the surface area. So all are monomers present in center of or in micelle structures. The first one initiator, for example, this is the initiator. For one initiator, adding one monomer first through the free radical mechanism. Next, different types of monomers are joined. Different types of monomers are joined to form polymer substance in micelle structures. After sometimes, that means by apply the heat, the micelle structure is exposure. All monomer, the length of all monomer chain, that means the polymer chain is settled down in the bottom of the water. Remove the above surface water, the bottom area of polymer chains present, which is dried, filtered and converted into polymer substance. That is called emulsion polymerizations. Okay? Emulsion, that is the surfactant molecule initiators. Okay? The surfactant molecules to create micelle structures, the red color dot is initiators. Number of monomers are present in the water. First the initiator is passed into micelle structure. Next, the number of monomers are, all our monomers are entered to the center of the micelle structure. All monomers are joined. All monomers are joined. By the heating process, the micelle structure is break out. All monomer chain is transferred into sedimentation by use of coagulation process, passed into bottom area of the water. The surface water are removed, the bottom polymer substance dried and converted into polymer powders or polymer materials. Okay? Advantages of emulsion: high rate of polymerization, high conversion and high molecular weight, few side reactions, efficient heat transfer, low viscosity medium. Okay, polymer never in solutions. Next, low tendency to agglomerate. Emulsified polymers may be stabilized and used directly. Some disadvantages is also available. Polymer surface contaminated by surface active agent. Coagulation introduced salts, poor electrical property. This is the disadvantages. The next is suspension polymerization. Suspension means the monomers add in a aqua solutions like a water. All monomers are suspended in a water by use of stabilizers like colloidal natures. The suspend of monomers present in a water is called colloidal solution. Okay? In this method, the monomer is dispersed mechanically in a solvent like water. All monomers are dispersed or suspended by use of mechanically, by use of mechanically. Emulsion is chemical process. Number of monomers are combined or emulsified by use of stabilizers or emulsified compound, where the monomers are suspended and combined to form polymer by use of mechanical process. Cannot use chemicals, by use of mechanical agitators. The result monomers droplets are polymerized using a monomer soluble initiator. In this method also used initiator, because where initiator is free radicals. Okay. The suspension is stabilized by addition of small amount of stabilizer like polyvinyl alcohols or methyl cellulose. This process also used stabilizers. As the polymerization process, the viscosity of dispersed drops increased, because the monomer droplet size is increased. That means viscosity is decreased, velocity is the viscosity dispersed droplets increased means velocity decreased, because the number of stabilizer molecules are monomer molecules, small size of molecules, okay, to convert into large size of molecules. For example, this is the aqueous phase. Aqueous phase means water. This is the organic phase means monomers. It is the mechanical agitator. By use of mechanical agitators, monomers are suspended. Suspended in a water, like means milk is suspended by fatty acids, smoke is suspended by carbon particle, like that means monomers are suspended. After suspension, by adding the free radicals and stabilizers. By adding the free radicals and stabilizers, by use of mechanical agitation process, on the agitation process, free radicals combined all monomers slowly linked to form polymer chains. The polymer particles suddenly passed into bottom area because the molecular weight is increased. So automatically all monomers join through a long chain to pass into bottom area. The above surface water removed, but the bottom polymer substance dried and converted into polymer substance. Okay, the small chapter is degree of polymerization. Degree of polymerization means polymer to presence of number of monomers. Some polymer chain is very long chain. That means some polymers to contains more number of monomers. Some polymers to contains less number of monomers. But what is the degree of polymerization? Where degree of polymerization means the number of monomers present in the polymer chain is called degree of polymerization. For example, one polymer substance to contains 10 monomers. The degree of polymerization is called 10. In case some polymer substance to contains 90 monomers, the degree of polymerization is called 90. So the number of repeating units means monomers in the formation of polymer is known as degree of polymerization. The number of monomers present in the polymer chain is called degree of polymerization. That is denoted by dP, total molecular weight of the polymer by total molecular weight of the polymer by molecular weight of monomers. Molecular weight of monomers. So, weight of with low degree of polymerization are called polymers. High polymers have very high molecular high polymers have very high molecular weight. High molecular weight. Okay. Polymers which a high degree of polymerization are called is polymers and 10 to the power 5 to 10 to the power 7, also known as macromolecules. That means high degree of polymerization is called macromolecules. Okay, that is a simple definition. The number of monomers present in the polymer chain is called degree of polymerization. How to calculate degree of polymerization? Total molecular weight of polymers by the number of monomers molecular weight is called dP. Thank you.